Good morning, students. This is Balakrishna Asiti from PSWRS Chivamla Boys School. How are you all? I hope everyone is safe at your homes. Today, our topic is history of computers. Firstly, I am asking one question. What do you mean by computer, students? Simply, so actually, computer is an electronic device which consists of hardware and software. Hardware describes the physical parts of the computer, whereas software controls the hardware to run the operating system. That is also definition. But here, simply, how we can define the computer? A computer is a device which makes the calculations or computations easier and faster. Is called as a computer. Here, so who invented the computer? Charles Babbage is the father of the computer. So let us discuss the brief history of the computer. A machine or the device which is developed in 2000 years ago is called as a abacus. Abacus means abundant bits addition and calculation utility system. This is also one type of computer. So this computer can be made with the bits and rods. These are rods. These different colors, circle shape you are calling as a bits. By moving these bits on the rods, then we can do the calculations like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. That's why this device sometimes is called as a calculator. But the device operation only calculation purpose, should not do the other applications. Herman Holrich and James Power combinedly developed a device that is called as a punch card. By using this punch card, we can enter the information directly and also we can read this information indirectly. So by using this punch card, we can do the tasks. The computers which are developed between the 1942 to 1955 is called as a first generation computers. Students, I will ask the one question. What do you mean by generation? Generation means the change in technology. So at this first generation, the computer is developed with the vacuum tubes. These are called as a vacuum tubes. How many vacuum tubes is required for generating the computer means 18,000 vacuum tubes is required. What is the first vacuum tube generated computer? ENIAC. ENIAC means electrical numerical integrator and calculator. The advantages of ENIAC is it is 1000 times faster than the previous generation's computer. And also disadvantages. It occupies a more space because of how many vacuum tubes is required? 18,000 vacuum tubes is required. So every vacuum tube needs some power. So 18,000 vacuum tubes also power. That's why it consumes or utilizes more power, and also the cost is very high. In the second generation, the computers are developed between 1956 to 1964. So these computers can be made with the transistors instead of vacuum tubes. By using these transistors, the system performance is better and also occupies a lesser space and also consumes a less power. The third generation computers were developed between the 1965 to 1975. These are made with the semiconductor chips. These are shortly called as a ICs. IC means integrated circuits. By using these integrated circuits, you can get the advantages like faster, cheaper, and power consumption is also less. The computers which are developed between 1975 onwards, then we are calling as a fourth generation computers. These computers can be made with the microprocessors. Nowadays also we are utilizing the microprocessors. By using the microprocessors, we can get the more advantages like the devices can be available in smaller and also cost is less. It can be available in portable, consumes less power and heat is also less. The fifth generation computers are most advanced computers such as like as a supercomputer. So example is AI. AI means artificial intelligence. So we have seen some movies like as a Robo 1 and Robo 2 movie. These all the robots like as robots, These all the robots can be utilizes the technology named as a AI technology, artificial intelligence technology. In the news also recently has seen that is one of the artificial intelligent robo named as a Sophia robo. So these are all the advanced technologies. Students, I hope you can understand the concepts of history of computer. In the next video, we will discuss about the basic components of the computer. Thank you.